So I consider myself pretty handy around the house. And sometimes the furniture that you get falls apart. Or, maybe you're trying to build something, or maybe you're trying to, assemble a wooden toy, or, whatever. Wood glue is just handy to have for a lot of different reasons. And I thought that I would do a quick unboxing here. I don't have anything handy to glue together. You'll just have to take my word for it about how fast it is. So it is a bottle of, here's a soda can, right? Show you how big the bottle is. It comes with this little screw-on lid. Of course, it's got a nice seal on there. And this tip itself has a cap to keep things clean and dry. Now, it also comes with this spatula, which is rubberized. I don't keep getting so close to my face. And then a more rigid side, almost like a butter knife. I've been reading some of the comments on the post itself, some of the reviews. They say that it dries very fast and it works very well indoor and outdoor. And one of the things that people really liked about this was how clear it actually dries. So dries fast, works indoor, outdoor, and dries clear. What more do you need out of wood glue? So again, thanks to the company for sending me this. I think I got a little race car we're gonna put together with this next.